looks like we're going to have a weather window, but this is happening. We will see. Man, I hope that weatherman knows what he's talking about. This does not look good to me. Not only do we have to wait for the rain to clear up, but we have to hope that the water is going to get clear and the seas are going to come down in time for us to get out and get our fishing trip. Cutting it really close on this one.
Rain will be likely, but the bulk of the rain moves in this evening, moisture, and produce heavy rainfall. That is why we are under a marginal risk for severe weather by the Storm Prediction Center.
All right. Well, we are about to hit the sack. I'm going to go ahead and